Hello my dear children, welcome back to our 16th class for 6th standard computer science. Already finished the lesson 5 mail merge in Word 2016. An explanation. Today we will learn about lesson 5 question answers and book exercise. Now I am going to read book exercise. So write neatly and correctly, use pen only. Listen carefully. All of you take page number 53. A. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Which tab of MS Word contains the mail merge commands? Option A. Insert tab. Option B. Review tab. Option C. Mailings tab. Answer is option C. Mailings tab. Second one. The address list is also known as option A. Data source. Option B. Main document. Option C. Merged document. Answer option A. Data source. Third one. What columns does customize columns modify? Option A. Address list. Option B. Main document. Option C. Merged document. Answer option A. Address list. Fourth one. To verify the new address list contents, you press the option A. Done button. Option B. OK button. Option C. Yes button. Answer option B. OK button. Which folder contains the recipients list? Option A. My recipients folder. Option B. My data sources folder. Option C. None of these. Answer B. My data sources folder. Then B. Filling the blanks. First one. If you click on the add button and customize address list dialog box, the dash dialog box opens up. Add field. Answer add field. First one. Answer add field. Second one. After pressing dash button on new address list dialog box, the save address list dialog box opens up. Answer OK button. Third one. The final letter is also known as merged document. Answer merged document. Fourth one. Dash tab is used to start mail merge process. Mailings. Answer mailings. Fifth one. The address list is also known as dash data source. Answer data source. Take page number 54. State whether true or false. First one. The recipient list in mail merge is stored in the My Data Sources folder. Answer true. The insert address block is used to customize how the address block part will look after merging with the main document. Answer true. Third one. Using customize address list dialog box, a field of the address can be renamed. Answer true. Fourth one. When you delete a column from address list, all data of that column also gets removed. Answer true. Fifth one. The process of mail merge combines the data source with the main document. Answer true. Then D. Match the following columns. First one. Column A. In step 3, on clicking, type a new list and create which dialog box opens. Answer E. New address list. Second one. The names of two regions in the unmerged document just before merging process are. Answer D. Address block and greeting line. Third one. In which step of mail merge may you print the formed letters? Answer A. Step 6. Fourth one. At the end of which step may you get address block and greeting line stubs inserted in the letter? Answer B. Step 4. Fifth one. The recipients list in saved in. Answer C. My data sources folder. Then answer the following questions. First question. Define data source and main document. Answer. The address list is also known as the data source. The process of mail merge combines the data source with the main document All of the final letters are known as the merged document. Second question, how many steps are there on the mail merge task pan? List them. Second question answer. There are 6 steps in mail merge task pan as follows. Step 1, select document type. Step 2, select starting document. Step 3, select recipients. Step 4, write your letter. Step 5, preview your letters. Step 6, complete the merge. Third question, what are the 3 basic steps of mail merge? Mail merge consists of 3 steps: creation of the main document, creation of address list, merging the main document with the address list to produce various letters. Fourth question, what is the use of mail merge? Answer, mail merge is used to create multiple documents at once. The data source contains varying data which gets pasted once per letter, and finally multiple letters are formed. Question number 5. Describe the sub-steps within step 6. Complete the merge of mail merge. Answer, step 1. In this step, you can take printouts or edit the merged letters. When the data source and letters get merged in a document, it is called merged document. It is the final document in the mail merge process. Second step, to print the letters, click on the print option, or to edit individual letters, click on the edit individual letters. The merge to new document dialog box opens. Third step, select all unmerged records and click on OK button. All the merged letters will be opened in MS Word in a single document. Fourth step, click on the file, save as to save the file. Then application based questions. First question, Siddharth wants to celebrate his birthday with his friends and relatives. He wants to send personal invitation to each of them without typing their names and addresses in the main letter. Which feature could he use to complete the task? Answer, mail merge. Then second question, Rita wants to add some fields in the recipients list. In which dialog box she would perform this task? Answer, new address list dialog box. Then activity zone. Across, first one, the list of addresses is known by this name in mail merge. Answer, data source, DATASOURCE, data source. Then downward, first one, the entity which we dropped in the first box to be mail letters, LETTERS. Second one, the process which consists of 3 basic steps, mail merge, MAILMERGE. Third one, the name given for people who receive recipients, RECIPIENTS, recipients. Have you understood, children? Yes. Lesson 5 question answers and book exercise completed. So, you should write neatly and correctly in your computer science note. Okay, ma? Okay. Today homework, study and write book exercise. Lesson 5, book exercise and question answers. Okay, children? Okay. Thank you, ma.